Hi guys, and I'm back again with my friend Sophia. Say hi.
Bob.
That's her way of saying hi. Guys, and so today we're gonna be doing the what is it called again?
No.
The sound challenge. Yeah, it's called the sound challenge. Okay. And that's basically just where like it has to be two players. And like one friend has to tell the other friend what sound to make, and then the other friend has to make it. And stop throwing stuff. Okay. So, what sound should I make, Sophia?
I have no clue.
Sophia, stop. Jesus.
Dog.
Whose was better, mine or hers?
Mine.
Okay. Now
Wait!
we have to make a car engine sound.
No, if you choose me, do hashtag puppy fabulous. If you do her,
Hashtag puppy winner. Okay. Now the next sound.
wait! Next round!
The next sound is a car engine. That was actually pretty good.
Okay,
Now-
if you choose me, do hashtag car engine fabulous winner.
No, just do
Hashtag car winner.
Hashtag car S. Hashtag car S. Okay. And then
What? Okay, since you choose mine, I get to choose yours. Okay, if you like hers, do hashtag
don't make it long.
car winner.
Okay, yeah. So now what's the next sound?
How about
Opera. Opera? Okay, you go.
Can you not see me? Wait.
Okay.
If you like mine, do hashtag loser.
Okay.
That was terrible.
Now mine is
If you choose her, if you choose her, do hashtag Zenobia.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.